We'll guide you through how to make a t-shirt in Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A t-shirt is really cool to be able to create because you can go and make it custom for you. And also, if you want to, you could then go and start selling it. And in return, you can go and get Robux and you can go and use that Robux for other things. But you could also just go and wear it for yourself. So make sure you don't skip anything as you may go and miss something important. So make sure you keep watching. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you may have noticed, but we're doing this in the Roblox site. So open a web browser like Edge, Chrome, Opera, whatever you use, and type in roblox.com. Come here and you can sign into your account. Now, what you want to do is go and press create at the top. If it looks different, you may be on sort of a landing page. Go and type in create.roblox.com in the address bar and you'll be brought here. Now, what you need to do is you need to come over to the left and you can go and find the option for creations like so. Then you want to come to the top. You've got experiences, share links, and then avatar items. So what we need to do is come to avatar items at the top, just like so. Here we are. You've got these different options at the top. Come across bodies, clothing, accessories, and you need to come to classics like so. Now come to filters. So you're going to see classic t-shirts, shirts, and pants. Make sure you're using classic t-shirts. You can go and do shirts and pants, but with these, you need to go and have a template. But with t-shirts, you can actually just go and upload an image and get started. It's much, much easier. So we're going to go and do this. Now it says upload asset. So this is going to be the image that is on your shirt. So the max number of files is 1. You can see the format here and the max size per file. So press upload asset. We brought to this page here and you can go and press upload. Now what you need to do is go and locate it. So I've got it on my desktop, but go and find what you're trying to use. I'm using the logo here. So go and press open and there it is. Now you can go and type in what it is. So I could type in black and white GuideRealm T, and you can go and add in a description as well. And then to upload it, we can go and press on the upload. So uploading it costs you 10 Robux. So if you make sure you're sure and it's the right one because it's going to cost you 10 Robux, but click it if you are and go and wait and you can scroll down and here it is. It will take a moment to load and it's there. Now, if we come back to Roblox, you are going to be able to go and find it in your inventory. So let's come to the left here and you can go and press on avatar. As you can see, there it is. Now you can go and wear that. But if you want to go and put it on sale, come back here and you want to go and click on it. What you can then do is go to the top right and go and switch on sale. Now you can come down to current price floor of t-shirt. So the floor is going to be 5, but we can go and change it. So I want it to be 50, let's say. So what that means is I need to go and type in 45 and the total then be 50. Choose if you want a do not price below. So let's say I didn't want it to go below 40. Choose if you want to enable regional pricing. I will. So it goes and sets it for regions. And you can choose where it's for sale. So I'm going to have all of these switched on. And I have all experiences. And then to go and put it on sale, it does cost you 10 Robux. And also you do need to go and have Roblox Premium 1000. That's really key. If you don't have it, you aren't going to be able to go and do this. So what you can do is go and press publish item like so and press pay and publish. And Roblox Premium is a paid subscription, by the way, which you'll need to go and get. And that's it. So you've now gone and made it and it's going to be on sale.